Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Friday, November 15th. Hope you guys got great plans for the upcoming weekend. We got several economic news releases. The most important one today is the Empire State Index. This is the manufacturing for the New York region. So last month, or October, we had a 1.5% on the rating. So anything is 0 and above is expansion. Anything below 0 is contraction. So a slight expansion there. The forecast was actually expected to jump upwards to 5.5 and actually dropped, so contracted in the New York region. So obviously not great numbers in manufacturing New York. And then we also got the import price index for the month of October. So we had a 0.1% increase in the import prices, and we figured it was going to contract a bit in October, and it contracted more. So not bad right there. And then we got industrial production for the October. We had a 0.7% increase for the month of September. It was supposed to contract a bit down to 0, and it actually did contract to negative 0.1%. So, and then we got capacity utilization, and we had a 78.3%, and we figured forecast was supposed to have a slight dip, and it slipped a little bit more than what the forecast. So not great news right there. And last but not least, we got the wholesale inventories for the month of September. So people are the wholesale side, their inventories were up 8.8%, and for the month of September it jumped up to 0.4%. So not as big of a change as August, but it still went up in wholesale. We'll jump over to headline news here, and actually the stock market closed upwards today. So actually the Dow even closed up at 85. So nice numbers right there. A lot of it, it's just the euphoria of Janet Yellen. They really kind of like that. Everything she said was basically very dovish, so that obviously means that she supports the quantitative easing. The tapering might not be so much of an issue, and equity markets are loving it right now. So they're they're kind of putting money back into the equity markets. We'll jump over to the bond market, take a look at interest rates today, and a slight improvement today. We started the morning off lower than when we left off yesterday, but so far we're about ready to close, and it's at 101.53 where we left off at 101.49 or 44. So we're up about 9 basis points. Not enough for a price improvement, but it's on its way. So be very we need to be a little bit cautious as we are trading on the upper portion of the trend line going downwards, and we'll need to keep that break above that trend line and basically remain that for a couple of days upwards, so that way we can see if there's a trend back up and showing some more improvement. But it looks like we're kind of starting on the verge of closing that gap that had opened up about a week ago. So we'll take a look and see how it goes. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys on Monday. We should have a bit more news to see next week. Take care.